Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models, and this is my second look at 30 Days Lost in Space. This is the electronics kit that I did several years ago, many years ago, it feels like, with the original 30 Days Lost in Space kit, which was really good fun. I really enjoyed it. But Inventor, or now Crafting Table, have updated and improved the course. The kit is much the same. It's in a bigger box, and it's just nicer. It's all better done and organised now. I'll get rid of the old one. I've not got the full kit in here either. I've cannibalised it for parts and used bits for it for other things. So this is the new kit, which is available now. It's going to be rebranded in Crafting Table. This is the last of the Inventor Presents version. This is the introductory day. So I'm going to have a look and show you the kit. I'll show you the day 0, the prologue on the website of the course. And for the next few days, I shall be going through the course and doing a day at a time. And I shall upload them and show you what's what. But let's have a look. First of all, in here, it shows you where to go. It's not inventor.io anymore. It's craftingtable.com. But in the kit, you get a hero board. This is branded as Inventor. Again, will be changed. It's a Uno board. I can't remember exactly what type of board it is. Let me see if I can just tell you. It is the no, I don't know exactly. Arduino Uno. That's the type of board it is. So that's what you get. The main processing power of everything is on there. There is a small breadboard, which is used for mounting all the components and things on. A bag of assorted things. We've got different coloured LEDs, one multicolour LED, an RGB LED, a buzzer, a switch box with 3 little dip switches in it. That seems to be everything that's in that little bag there. Oh no, there is also a photo sensor, a photo resistor in there as well for light sensing. We have a 16-button keypad, which has got plugs on the side there that will connect up. We have a 4-digit 7-second LED. We have a screen, a little LCD screen, which will be used later to display things on. We have a variable potentiometer, a rotary encoder, they call it. It basically tells it when it's not a potentiometer. It is just a rotary encoder. It detects movement in rotary directions. Basically, a dial you can set as volume control or that sort of thing. We have the cable to plug it into a USB socket. We have loads of cables which you can strip off one at a time or use in multiples as a ribbon cable type thing. More than enough to use throughout the course in there. And a pack of various different resistors. I think there's 3 or 4 different types of resistor in there. As well as all the literature. Tells you what's in the pack. There we go. I could have just gone through the list there. Hero board, breadboard, rotary encoder, photoresistor, LEDs, RGB LED. 4 different types of resistor. It's an OLED display, 7-segment display, passive buzzer, dip switch, button keypad, and USB data cable. As well as male to male and female, they were different. They are indeed different. Let's check those. We've got jumper cables, which are plug to plug, wire to wire, male to male, and male to female, which is useful for connecting things like this. Then you can just plug them in like that onto there. It'll be done that way. So that is what's in the kit. I shall clear this away. I'm not starting day 1 today. This is just a look at the kit. I shall show you a look at the website and then progress on from there. So the Crafting Table website is where all the exciting things happen. This is the 30 Days Lost in Space Adventure Kit. So it contains all of the courses, as you can see, listed down here. All of the different 30 days of projects, as well as extra bonus things and bonus training in there as well. Today, I'm just going to show you most of the Day Zero prologue video, which starts off with an introduction from one of the founders of Inventor, or now Crafting Table. So we'll start with that, and you can listen to it in his own words.
Welcome to your 30 Days Lost in Space Adventure Kit. I'm super excited to have you here. My name is Austin. I am the founder of Inventor.io, and I just want to take 2 seconds of your time to show you the course, how it's laid out, so you don't get lost. Right here is what we call bonus training.
Right. Actually, I won't show you all of this because you don't need to see him introducing everything. He's showing you through the website, which is pretty much what I've done. What we will do is start off with the new improved cinematic part of the course, which wasn't here when I did the last bit, but now it is. So have a listen and watch the introductory video.
Roll it.
Astrid, do you read me? Come in. Astrid, come in. Do you read me? Astrid, can you hear me?
It's a relief to see you are alive. It would have reflected poorly on our operation had you expired. Here's the situation. Your landing craft computer failed, causing your ship to miss its landing zone and crash into the sea.
How far under the surface are we?
Approximately 60 meters underneath the ocean's surface.
Astrid, run a scan of the ship systems.
Running diagnostic analysis. It appears that, miraculously, none of the essential systems suffered any damage. However, in a beautiful twist of fate, they're all governed by the now utterly useless computer.
How much oxygen do I have left?
The oxygen supply will last 8 days, but if you're able to restore the battery charging system, you may survive another 14. I suppose you expect my help to get all that done in time. Inventory data shows that your spacecraft just happens to have a suitable repair kit. It might just be sufficient to hobble your systems back to life and crawl your way to the mothership. Hopefully. Of course, this repair kit is a bit old, using technology from the 2020s. But it should be enough. Let's get started by getting the lights on in here. It's a bit tough to do these repairs currently. Human opticals aren't optimized to work in the dark.
So that is what we start off with. It's much more cinematic than it was to begin with on the last time I did this course. Yeah, each day we have Astrid telling us what we're going to do on each one. And it goes on from there. We do each of the courses in turn. Each day there is a video to watch, as well as code to learn about and circuits to build, basically. Some of them are easier than others, and they all get more complicated as the time goes by. The other major improvement that happened this year is in the world of AI. They have actually developed an actual AI modeled after Astrid from the game. The course. So you can actually talk to Astrid and Astrid will reply. I shall make sure it works and try it out. I've not tried the voice mode with Astrid before, so we'll see what happens and see what's what. Hello, Astrid. I'm a new cadet. I've done the course once before, but I'm going to start it again now. Have you got any hints or advice for me?
Welcome back, Cadet. Since you've done this before, you've got an advantage. But here's the deal: treat it like a new mission. Don't just go through the motions. Challenge yourself. Try writing cleaner code, experiment with different wiring setups, and see if you can troubleshoot problems faster. Also, keep a log of what tripped you up last time. That way, when you hit a snag, you can check if past you already figured it out. Most importantly, have fun with it. Maybe even set a goal to finish faster than your last attempt. So, what's your strategy this time around?
I'm going to be filming it again and trying it and see how it goes. So you know everything about this course. You've been programmed and you know everything that's in the kit and what I should be doing.
That's awesome. Filming it will make it even more fun. Plus, if anything goes wrong, you've got evidence for future you to review. And yep, I know everything about this course. I've been programmed with all the steps, components, and challenges you'll face. So, if you ever get stuck, need a refresher, or want to try something a little different, I'm here to help. Are you planning to do a straight rerun, or are you going to tweak things this time? Maybe add your own spin to the projects?
I think I'll just be going straight through following the instructions. But thank you very much for joining me. I shall let you know any help and you can talk me through the kit as I go. So I'll see you for the day one very, very soon.
That sounds like a solid plan. I'll be here, ready to guide you through every step. Just call me when you're ready for day one and we'll get this mission started. Looking forward to it, Cadet.
So there we go. AI and all included in the box. So I shall see you for day one very soon. I hope you follow me with this course and we'll see exactly how lost I really am. I think I'm going to make it out, but we'll see soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.